Question 11. Tommy grows tomato plants. The table shows some information about the weights, W, in kilograms of tomato plants produced by each tomato plant. Part A says, on the grid, draw a histogram to show this information. Now, if we have just a quick look here, there was 8 tomato plants that were greater than 5 kilograms, but less than or equal to 10 kilograms. There were 15 tomato plants which were greater than 10 kilograms, but less than or equal to 12. 24 that were greater than 12 kilograms, but less than or equal to 16, and so on. Okay, so there's 2 formulas you need to know for frequency density for the histogram. So frequency density equals frequency divided by the class width, and frequency therefore equals frequency density times by class width. I hope you can see that. Okay, so I'm just going to write the class widths down here. The class width for this one's 5, 2, 4, 16 and 20, so 4 again, 20 to 25 is 5. Okay, and I'm going to do frequency density on the top. So get this right way round. This is frequency divided by class width, which gets you to frequency density. So frequency, which is 8, divided by 5, not 5 divided by 8. So 8 divided by 5 is 1.6. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, so you're going to have to choose a scale for the frequency density that goes to up to at least 7.5. Okay, so I'm going to go up in 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and that's enough. Okay, so let's start to draw our bars in. So from 5 to 10 is here. So it's going to be that thick, and it needs to go up to 1.6. So 1 is there. Every half a square is 0.2, so 1.2, 1.4, 1.6 is here. Oh, no, it's, yeah, 1.6 is there. Okay. From 10 to 12, now that's 11, 12 is here. You need to go up to 7.5. So 7 is halfway, 0.5 is there. Oops, too thick. Up to here. Okay, from 12 to 16, now 16 is here. It needs to go up to 6. Nice and easy. From 16 to 20, it needs to go up to 4. And from 20 to 25, it needs to go up to 2. And I have just completed the histogram. Okay, now this is worth 3 marks. So, the first mark comes from working out the frequency density. The second mark comes from scale for the frequency density, and the third mark comes from a completely correct histogram, and that's it, and that's worth 3 marks. Okay, so part B says work out an estimate for the number of tomato plants that produced more than 15 kilograms of tomato. So let's have a look at our histogram. Thing to remember about histograms is that the area represents the frequency. Okay, now let's just see how many tomato plants are there in total. So we're going to add 8, add 15, add 24, add 16, add 10. Okay, so 8, add 15, add 24, add 16, add 10 is 73. So this area, all of these bars added together, the area represents 73 tomato plants. Okay, so we want to find out 15 or more. So we want to work out how many tomato plants this area that I'm shading in is worth. Well, we know from 16 to 20, it tells us there are 16 tomato plants. From 20 to 25, we already know there's 10 tomato plants. So we need to work out this area here and how many tomato plants it's worth. Well, the class width is 1 in this case, and the frequency density is 6. So 1 times 6 to get us our frequency. So I've done frequency density times class width. In this case, the class width is 1. The frequency density is 6. So in this bar here, which I'm going to shade a different colour, let's do orange or green. Okay, so this bar here is 6 times 1 to get the frequency, represents 6 tomato plants. So that's 16 add 10 add 6, which is 32 tomato plants. Now, so we did 16 add 10 and add in brackets 6 times 1 equals 32. So this is worth 2 marks, and the first one's for the method and the second mark is for an answer of 32. And that's it.